Hi, I'm doing a video about handstands. So, should we try? Try to hold a good one. Oh no, that's like a cartwheel. Try it again. No, fail. Fail. It's hard for me to hold this handstand. Oh gosh, that was kind of a good one. Oh my gosh, no. That's a huge fail. I should call this one handstand failed, but this needs some practice. Handstands. No. No. That was good. That was a good one. No. Let's try it so I can see it. It's hard to do handstands because I have to like get my legs all the way up and I can't put my stomach up, so I didn't really do good, but thanks for watching this video. Bye!